Hello everyone, welcome to the Touch to Click channel. In this video, I will show you how to find lat and long on Google Maps, so you can easily identify the exact coordinates of any location. Now let's get started. Step 1, open Google Maps in a web browser on your computer. You can do this by typing maps.google.com into the address bar and pressing enter. Step 2, find the specific spot, location or area on the map where you want to get the coordinates. Once you locate it, right-click directly on that spot on the map. This action opens a small menu with several options related to that location. Step 3. After right-clicking, a pop-up menu will appear on the screen. The first item in this menu shows the latitude and longitude in decimal format. For example, 40.712776, 74.055974. These numbers represent the exact geographic coordinates of that selected location. Step 4. Click on the coordinates shown at the top of the pop-up menu. Once you click them, the coordinates will automatically be copied to your clipboard. You can now paste them anywhere you need, such as in documents, navigation tools, or location sharing apps. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Touch to Click channel.